Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time in BIOS on LENOVO V15. First of all, you have to enter the BIOS menu. To do that, power your PC on by short pressing the power button and then repeatedly press F2 before your device even starts to boot up. And once you see the BIOS menu, you'll be able to navigate here with your left and right arrow keys to switch between tabs and down and up arrow keys to switch between options. Now to change the time and date, you have to go to the configuration tab, and now to change the time value, once you select the time value, you have the hour value selected. To change it, use F6 to increase the value or F5 to decrease it. Once you set the value that you need, press enter to switch to minutes, F6 to increase, F5 to decrease, just like you did before, and then switch to the minutes value or to the seconds value, and you can change it just as well. Now for the date, everything works in the same way. So first you set the month value with F6 or F5, then you press enter to change the day value, and then you press enter to change the year value. However, I highly recommend only changing date and time settings if they are not set correctly, because if you set incorrect date and time values on your computer, you will make many online services like Google unavailable for yourself because they require date and time to be correct for your time zone. Now, to save the changes and exit, press F10 and then press enter to confirm. To exit without saving changes, press escape, and to restore default values, press F9. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.